Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down SoFi's monthly fees in 2026, what you do and don't pay for, and whether there are any catches you should know before signing up. Let's start with the best part. SoFi doesn't charge typical bank monthly maintenance fees. That means there's no fee just for having a checking or savings account. Many traditional banks still charge $10, $15 per month unless you meet balance requirements, but SoFi keeps things fee-free. One of the biggest reliefs for many users is that SoFi doesn't charge overdraft fees. If you accidentally spend more than your balance, you won't get hit with a $30, $35 fee like most banks. That's a huge savings over time, especially if you're budgeting or just learning to manage your money. SoFi gives you access to over 55,000 fee-free all-point ATMs, which means you can withdraw cash without a SoFi charge. However, keep in mind that some ATM owners outside of the all-point network may still charge their own fees, so always check before you withdraw. Here's the first hidden cost many beginners don't expect. Cash deposit fees. SoFi doesn't support free cash deposits at all-point ATMs. If you deposit cash at partner locations like Walmart or other retail ATMs, you'll usually pay about $4.95 per transaction. That's one to watch out for if you use cash often. SoFi doesn't charge fees for standard ACH transfers, direct deposits, or Zelle transfers. These are all free, which makes moving money in and out of your accounts smooth and inexpensive. SoFi's savings account can earn up to 3.3% APY, but that rate depends on conditions like setting up direct deposit or maintaining a specific balance. If you don't meet those requirements, your APY can drop to around 1%. That's not a fee per se, but it does affect your earnings, essentially a cost you should know about. If you use SoFi Invest, most brokerage accounts have no commission fees for stock or ETF trades, but there are expense ratios on funds you should watch. Robo-advisor services may also carry small management fees depending on the plan. Credit cards from SoFi also usually don't have annual fees, which is a plus compared to cards that charge $95 or more per year. SoFi's monthly fee structure in 2026 is extremely competitive, no maintenance, overdraft, or transfer fees. The main costs to watch are cash deposit charges and savings rate conditions. For most digital banking users, SoFi feels fee-friendly and straightforward. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more honest financial breakdowns. Let me know in the comments what topic you want covered next. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.